Batch content creation. That's the key. Let's talk about it. Posting one video a day is what I've been doing on my Instagram for the past year. Now that shit sounds crazy, but it's true. Not only have I been posting one video a day, but I most of the time make about 2 posts per day. Whether it's another video or a picture, there's something posted at least twice per day on my page. And that doesn't even include stories. So a lot of the reason why I started posting this often was to get my following up, to be honest, but also get my content out there. I was one of those people that struggled in front of the camera and talking in front of the camera for a very, very long time. If you look at my Instagram now, I'm pretty comfortable in front of the camera, and I'd like to say it took me about 100 videos to actually be comfortable in front of the camera. It's no secret. I've actually said this multiple times. I've followed multiple other people on Instagram and TikTok and all these other platforms that state the same thing. But you guys don't execute because it's a lot of fucking work. So if I want to give you my method on how I'm doing posts every single day, it's called batch content creation. I start off with writing my ideas down in a notebook. And then I sit down and figure out exactly how many pieces of content I'm going to tape in one session. Now, I usually pick one day a week to record between 5 and 8 videos. From there, I grab an extra hat, an extra hoodie, keep some extra clothes around so that way if I want to change, I can certainly do so and continue to film. When I discovered batch content creation, I was no longer getting burnt out. I went from making a video every single day to making, like I said, 5 to 8 videos a week and schedule posting them every Sunday night. If you try to create content and post it the same day, every single day, you will get burnt out. There's no ifs, ands, or buts. I've experienced it myself and it sucks. Batching content creation shouldn't be that difficult. As long as you're writing everything down, you're planning your sessions on where you're gonna film, and you film them in a way where you're happy with them. Again, they don't have to be perfect. I like to say that done is better than perfect. And if you research some trending songs or save some trending songs, go ahead and add some of the music to those particular posts. I do recommend putting in captions in the majority of the videos where you're actually talking to the camera. Remember, a lot of people don't watch the videos with the audio on because they may be on a train commuting, they may be here, they may be there. It's very, very convenient for them to just read what you're saying. But when you read what you're saying, please do not put the captions above or under your face. It should be right under your chin. That way the viewer doesn't have to struggle whether they want to look at you or look at the caption. So as we summarize this, first thing you're going to do is you're going to write down your ideas in a notebook. Number 2, you're going to gather all the information for your videos. So if you're researching a product, you have all the information for that particular product. Number 3, you're going to set up your filming locations, whether it's all in one place or something similar to what I do, and it's different spots in my office or my studio. Next, you're going to prepare yourself by bringing in different outfits and extra outfits so that way all your videos do not look the same. And lastly, but most importantly, this saves you the most amount of time. You're going to edit, but you're going to edit with presets already made. In my office, I have different color grades already made for different scenarios. If it's light outside and there's more light coming in to the office, I have a preset for that. If it's dark outside and it's dark in my office, I have a color grade for that. So planning everything out matters. So that way you don't get burnt out and you could go ahead and post your content without having to feel burnt out. Guys, if you have any questions, go ahead and ask them in the comments below. I'd love to know your thoughts and your process for creating content. Make sure you guys hit that subscribe button. It helps me out. I'm trying to get over that 1,000 mark and get monetized. So it helps out a lot if you could subscribe and possibly like this video. And I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.